Hi, Jace.
Surprise for everybody today.
Have you? Go on.
Yeah. We're doing 3 vans.
Oh,
3 in 1.
You stood in front of 3.
That's getting the value. 3 vans for the price of 1.
I think it was a bit of a giveaway when you stood in front of 3 vans. But yeah.
Nice vans there, Kevin, then.
Yeah.
Hey, we're not doing these.
Oh, right.
No. That might be a great van.
Yeah, what great van. GR08 van.
We have a Zach deckless. And we also have an auto-sleeper Kingdom. But you're not going to get one of them.
That's what we're having now.
Just take a look over there.
It's VW land.
VW land.
Is that something like Legoland?
You've got Legoland. You've got Warnerland.
Yeah.
You've now got
Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Yeah,
You've now got VW land.
Yeah.
Look at these bad boys.
When VW land. Very nice.
So, 3 Volkswagens. A 2021, a 20 and a 20. 2 short wheelbase.
Yeah.
And 1 long wheelbase.
I like the colours of that one.
Now, I think that's old school colour.
Yeah.
I think that's new school colour. And I just think that's...
Silver.
No, come on! No, I just think that's like off-road campery type.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that one.
I like that one.
That's the colours of the old T2s, isn't it?
That's why I'm saying old school, new school.
Even some of the split screens were that colour.
Any school. There you go. So,
approved school.
let us know in the comments what you actually think, which is your favourite one, which one you like.
Blue one.
So what we're going to do is, by magic, we're going to move these around and we're going to have a look inside them and have a look at the differences, and let's have a look.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic light.
They look well kept, don't they?
Don't they just?
Look at them.
Yeah.
Let's just walk along and just...
At a jaunty angle then.
Jaunty angle. So let's just walk along. They're really nice camper vans.
Yeah, that's my favourite.
Well, everyone has a difference. So shall we start off with the 2020? Now, everyone's going to be asking price-wise. It's going to be 50 to 55,000. I ain't got a clue. Just throw a dart, to be honest. But I must admit, they're worth the money, aren't they?
Yeah.
Because in these vans, you're getting everything. No short change on these. So shall we start with the 2020 two-tone, which I'm calling new school?
Yep.
We'll move on to any school, because that's the 2 short wheelbase, and then we'll go on to
Old school colours. Old school colours.
And that's a long wheelbase. So let's have a look at this one first. So as far as layouts go, you can't really get much as a much. So we've got the seats there, which will swivel and turn around.
By under your nose. And
yeah. Just notice leisure batteries underneath. And then if we have a look here, we've got the sleeping above. And also we've got, what we've got there, Kev?
Drop down TV.
Look at that, eh?
All mod cons in this.
Put that one back up.
Catch up with your EastEnders, and
we've got lights as well. And I've just noticed as well, these have got USB points in as well.
Yeah. And also that's a bunk above which will sleep a couple of kiddies.
Yeah, I'll just drop that down. That's up.
You get 2 children.
And there you go, you've got a good size up there.
You'd actually get an adult up there. It would stand the weight of an adult. Be a bit cramped with 2 adults, but...
So, nice colour.
Yeah, nice gloss.
There you go, storage. We've got the compressor fridge. We have our sink, 2-burner hob. We have the grill, and we also have the Webasto heating system as well. standard control panel, a couple of power points, and here, charging point.
Charging point for your phone.
Yep. And then we have the rock and roll bed, obviously that comes out to make up the bed. So, new school, let's go and have a look at any school.
It's another short wheelbase.
Now, just because I know you keep on about how you like the blue one, Kev, right? Well, if you took these two away, that's a nice looking van.
Yeah.
Nice looking van. Look at the wheels on them.
Yeah.
Didn't we show you the wheels on the one we just looked at?
Yep.
Didn't
Nice,
you?
nice alloys.
Yeah, and then have a look at these. These are nice wheels. But just have a look at the front of this, Kev. Again, 2020. That's a nice looking van, isn't it?
Yeah, but we've had some old vans with a front like that, haven't we?
The red in there.
Yeah.
Hey?
The Nissan L Grand.
Yeah, but it's not as nice as this.
No, but the front end is very similar to the L Grand.
Very
And
simple.
they're an old van, aren't they? So they were ahead of the time.
I'm liking that.
Yeah, the LED lighting.
I know. I'm liking this as well.
Black and red.
The black and red. Same again. We've got the overcap slipping on this one.
No TV in this one, is it?
No, we've got the compressor fridge. We've got a microwave in this one as well, instead of the grill. 2-burner hob and sink, and also the more important, the heating there as well. And then we've got the rock and roll bed.
I like it with the motifs and the
Nice, aren't they? Yeah. And then we've also got our charging point as well there.
Yeah.
So,
And again,
then I know it makes maybe looking a bit dark, but if I just undo this, ooh, started something now, Kev, haven't I?
you never fail.
Just there you go.
There you go. Having trouble with your zip, were you?
Getting a bit more light into the van now, aren't we?
Yeah.
So, these two are the same, aren't they? So let's just have a look at the
seat will swivel as well. So.
Yeah, seat swivel. Just get yourself in and show the key on, that's how I do it. So there we go, we've got the cab, the Volkswagen. Nice looking cab. And then what we'll do now is we'll move on to old school.
Old school colours.
That's a nice looking thing, isn't it?
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, loving the colours. So this one's the long wheelbase. And straight away, as I'm getting into it,
The feeling of room and things.
yeah, there's a massive feeling. Loving the counter work as well. Nice little touch here. Yeah, there you go. Storage. Same again. We've got the compressor fridge. We've got this is nice.
Yeah.
And then
You got much bigger
sink.
much bigger work area because
Yeah.
it's a long wheelbase.
2-burner hob. We've also got, if you notice above, we've got the TV and then the sleeping area, and then control panel. We have 2 power points. Well, that does. I bet that's for the 12 volts. The Webasto heating system, and again a charger. Does the seat swivel, Kev? We've only got the one seat on this one,
No,
haven't we?
no, it doesn't swivel.
You sure? I think you find that might do, Kev. Yeah, that swivels, that does, I think.
It does. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Do you want to swivel it? There we go.
There we go.
Swivelly seat. Nice one. I like the grey.
Yeah, it is, it's nice. Really nice.
We've just put a grey kitchen in there.
I don't care.
It's new. It's modern.
So there we go. A quick view of 3 VW campervans. New school, any school, old school.
Old school colours.
Colours, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you prefer.
Blue one.
See you soon.